times we have leftover chicken that we don't know what to do with it and we are bored to eat it over again in the same way. So today I have a recipe that you can use leftover chicken and make it into a new dish that you're gonna enjoy with your family. It's flavorful and it's very easy. Let me show you. I have cubed chicken breast and some thighs. I just chopped it and that is pre-cooked from leftover. I have chopped here a couple of yellow red pepper, one yellow pepper and one red pepper, a couple of small carrots, and we have all those colors into the dish that is gonna make it vibrate, and it also adds a lot of vitamins, of course. I have 3 cloves of garlic, and according to your taste you can go up or down, it depends on you. This is called Aleppo pepper, and it's a pepper that is dried like a raisin. It has very good and aromatic sweetness and heat, but you can use just pepper flakes if you wish. I also have half a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of cumin, quarter of a teaspoon of cloves, and it's gonna bring great aroma to the chicken. And if you like the heat, you can also put one hot chili or even cayenne. Some salt, some pepper, and I will also add a tang. I like to use red wine vinegar, but you can also use some lemon juice if you wish. Very simple. I'm gonna saute everything with some olive oil and I'll show you how to put this dish together. It takes 5 minutes, literally. Now I'm gonna be starting to saute the hardest vegetable, which is the carrot. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in here. And as soon as I see that it's hot, I will add the 2 small carrots that I have sauteed. Give them a stir. I salt as I go, so I'm gonna just give them a touch of salt. And the salt helps to cook them much faster because they will give out their juices and they will saute much faster. Now I will add the peppers, yellow and red. You can also use green if you have it. It happens that I have those colors. Make it fun and colorful. And just mix. A little salt. And at this time I also will put some black pepper. Just a touch. And I will also put the garlic. You can put more or less depending how much you like it. This dish really goes well with the garlic and it gives it that new flavor. At this point I will also add the cumin, the chili, the hot pepper I chopped, and the cloves. Let them saute a little bit. Absorb the flavors. As you see, we'll add the chicken. I will add the Aleppo peppers and the vinegar, just to clear all the Aleppo peppers out. You can also use lemon juice, as I said. Now let it cook. I will add a tiny bit of water just to give it time to cook and get all the liquid. So it's about 1/4 cup of water, just to get all the flavors melted and absorbed by the whole ingredients of the dish. And I'll let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. In a little bit, you can taste and see if it needs a little bit more salt, because don't forget that the chicken is pre-cooked and it probably has been salted before, so you don't want to overdo that. But you can taste if it needs a little bit more cumin, a little bit more cloves, or if you wish it a little hotter, so you can add cayenne, or a little tangier, you can add a little vinegar or lemon. Just make it according to your taste buds. And then I'll show you how we can eat that. Okay, so here is our leftover chicken. I made a pita bread. I'm gonna make it into wrap. The pita bread, I'll put the link at the bottom of the video. So we'll take some of that double cooked chicken. It smells so good. And just add it into the middle of your... Now, if you like, you can put some pickles. It goes really well. But also some fresh parsley. And fresh arugula. Just like that, and wrap it. And now you have a wholesome meal that has so many more vitamins from a leftover chicken dish.